want to do, boy?
Whatever you want to do, boy. Choose a line and stick to it. Hey, can you stop having fun in life, please? Just stop it. Two-stroke Midwest MX is back. Hey! Where do we go, boys? This is fun. Yeah! Hey, that was fun. Just me. Where we going, bro? Where we going, bro? Oh, oh, oh! Trees. This is adventuring at the spot. You! I'm going to do it now. This will be the best pivot turn you've ever seen in your life. It's in gear then. I give up already. And that is how you pivot turn. Where does this go? This is a cool trail. This ain't the trail. Made it. Yes, that's what we like to see. I don't know, but that was the bit I tried to come up with it. Yeah, I think that's it, isn't it?
You look like a blueberry.
Oh no! I can't pivot turn this. Turn it round now. You watch. This is how Midwest MX turns, like this. Get your front wheel where it can't move.
I can only pivot turn to the left, so I'm not going to. Oh no, I might be able to.
This is a cool place.
I'm sure I see something going there.
Hello? Hello? Okay, werewolves live here. Oh, I definitely want to sleep on this mattress.
Halloween special.
Oh, that's I don't even want to know what's happening there. Woohoo! Get the coffee on, Mikey boy. We got potatoes, got ready breck. Woo! We're trying to make it to this top of this mountain. Found this little trail here. Don't know where it goes. The peak is on our left. Whoa, we are high. Look at that. This is so cool. I was like, ooh, this is new. Where does this go? And then it brings you back down to the road. Hold on. Hold on. What are you doing, you crazy man?
Go and die with honor.
Woo. I never made this on my 450, so we're going to try doing it on the 250. Come on, come on. Oh, we did it! Woohoo! Such a nice feeling when you make it. Oh yeah, my baby did it. Oh, lovely. Where's Mike?
Right. I'd have never done that without that two tyre on.
Nice tire, mate. Where can I get one of those? It's like Fast and Furious. Nice tire, bro. What's the retail on one of those? More than you can afford, pal. Michelin.
Right.
He did. I'll go back. Just in case he's hurt himself, innit? Where is he? Apparently he's right behind me. See him? We need to move. Move! Move! That kind of worked. Oh. Oh. I can't move. I'm proper pinned. I am pinned. Thanks, mate. I don't normally sit like this.
A new definition of pinned.
Pinned. Help a brother out. Got it. Oh. Where's Ralphie, boy? Oh, Ralphie! Which way?
Where's Mike gone there?
Well, we'll get to the bottom, won't we? It's done it again. Oh! Oh shit! Front brake only! Oh, I've done it again! I've done it again! My foot has slipped off! Oh my god, this is steep. Woo! Wow, that was steep. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh my god. I'm too tired to make a video. I'm done. It's over. As always, thanks for watching. Ride safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.